For more than 700 years, these massive, square, Norman keeps or castles have dominated the skyline west of the Shannon. The centuries have in many cases taken their toll, but there are still at least 100 of them in extraordinarily good structural condition. And in recent years, ever-increasing numbers of them, like this one here near Loughrea in County Galway, are being snapped up and turned into magnificent fairy tale homes.
When a thing like this and building like this comes on the market, there's tremendous interest. In this one now I have inquiries from home and abroad, Germany, America, England and all over Ireland. I don't know really what the great interest is, but apparently some people would love to do them up and live in them.
How much will this particular tower sell for, and how much can you normally buy a castle or a keep in County Galway for?
Well, I would think that this would go anything up to around £10,000 with about a rood of ground with it.
And on top of that, you still have to renovate your castle. And that can cost from £30,000 to £50,000, depending on how much work has to be done. But it seems that all kinds of people, writers, artists, the romantically minded, and even hard-headed businessmen are becoming increasingly interested in these old castles which have lain derelict for centuries.
I would imagine that certain people in literary circles, on account of this being the centre of the Irish literary revival, Lady Augusta Persse lived here before she became Lady Gregory, and the Martins of Loughrea, Edward Martin is just on a couple of miles there, and Count Bastro's house is in Duras, and they were the people who founded the Abbey Theatre, and Martin founded the Palestrina Choir in the Pro Cathedral in Dublin, and it might be people who are associated with those that are interested.